Good morning, guys. Today is Monday. I officially leave for Disney this week. Cannot believe it, but I need to get my outfits planned because I have a ton of stuff hung up on my rack. You guys saw my anti-haul, my Nuuly haul. I have stuff ready to go. I just have not put anything together. Today, I'm going to be bringing you along. We're going to do the entire outfit planning process, and then all that's left to do is like my pack with me, and then we hop into the vlogs. So I'm so excited, and let's get planning because I cannot put this off any longer. So I actually like to start building my outfits backwards. I kind of like to prioritize what accessories I want to bring. So I've got these two fanny packs that you saw in my weekly prep with me. I did order a handful of things off Amazon, and these were two of the items. And these are just like little fluffy fanny packs, and they just scream Christmas to me. They were really affordable, so I'll leave them linked down below. And then I've got the classic red ears, and then I've got these ears, which I'm actually going to be filming a DIY on how I made these. Very simple and self-explanatory. I'll probably just post it to Instagram. But I put little Christmas bows on my black ears, and then I have these white iridescent ears, and then I have a bunch of bracelets. You'll also see me make these in my weekly prep video. So the next thing I do is I open my Disney Experience app on my phone and I look at our itinerary. So I'm a travel agent. I also enjoy planning Disney trips, so I like to plan everything out. I've got dining reservations, I've got park passes, like I've got everything good to go. So I kind of plan my outfits for what we're gonna do, what park we're gonna go to, if we're doing any parties, if we're eating at anywhere special that I want to dress up. So I've just made a checklist on my phone of all the outfits I need to put together. So I need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 if you count travel outfits. The first thing I start with is like absolute definites that I know for a fact I'm bringing. So this is my jumpsuit from my Nuuly order, and I know that I want to wear this on Thanksgiving, and I just took 2 of the Wilderness Lodge bracelets and I'm going to pair it with that because I think they're Thanksgiving colors. So then this outfit would be considered done, and I'm going to take a picture of it on my phone so that when it comes time to pack, I know what outfit I'm packing. So just take a little picture and I'll include the accessories with it too, and then I can check it off on my checklist. So Thanksgiving outfit is done. So on to the next definite outfit. I really want to wear this Expedition Everest sweatshirt in Animal Kingdom because I feel like Animal Kingdom is the hardest park to make a holiday outfit for because they don't really go that heavy on like red green Christmas. It's a lot of like white and blue and like wintry themes, so I wanted to kind of go along with that. I'm also hoping to get a picture with the Merry Menagerie out front, and that's very like wintry white blue in case it is very hot that day. So I've got a white tank top that I can wear underneath, and then I have either pants or shorts. I'm going to be bringing both because I would hate to not be able to wear this outfit just because I didn't bring shorts. And then I have my Yeti bracelet and just this like blue beaded bracelet. And I might even throw in this white one too. I feel like that looks good together. Kind of like 3 bracelets. I've got the white ears and the white fanny pack. So this is another definite outfit. I have these brown pants. These are also from my Nuuly order. and I wanted to have an outfit to explore Wilderness Lodge. This will be our first time staying there, so definitely wanted to get some cute pics. And I didn't necessarily want it to be Christmassy because I wanted to be able to use these pictures not just during the Christmas season. Ideally, I want to find a Wilderness Lodge t-shirt. I've seen one there that I like, but I'm bringing a brown tank top as a backup because it would be useless to bring these pants in my suitcase if I can't find a t-shirt. So tank top as a backup. I've got my 3 Wilderness Lodge bracelets, and for this outfit, I definitely can use the black ears if need be because this is towards the end of our trip. So I might also look for a hat. I kind of think this outfit would look good with a hat, especially if I cannot find the t-shirt. If it's just the tank and jeans, I think a hat would also work. This outfit is kind of a work in progress. We'll see when we get down there what it actually turns out to be. So this is where I'm kind of starting to run out of outfits that I 100% had planned in my head, and where I kind of just start pulling things that I definitely know I want to bring and kind of brainstorm outfits around them. So I have this green jacket that I really would like to bring. I don't know if it's going to get cold enough to wear. I'm hoping that one of the nights it is cold enough, but I am going to be trying this on for you guys, and you can give me your thoughts if you like this outfit or not. Alright, so I got you set up on my tripod so you can kind of see the outfit, and it's a good thing I tried it on because I actually didn't like the first tank with this, and I opted for this one that's a little bit cropped. I'm going to throw on the jacket and kind of see what I think with the jacket. The only issue I have with this jacket is it's a little itchy, and typically I like to wear it with a long sleeve shirt underneath. Now I do have a turtleneck, but I really don't think it's ever gonna get that cold. I think it's like 80 degrees there right now, so this might be as cold as it gets. So I watched it back and I absolutely hated it. So I switched to jean shorts and a white t-shirt. This is much more me, and I feel like fits the style of this jacket more. And then I feel like the outfit just started coming together because I totally remembered that I have a green and gold vintage Epcot hat, and the bracelets that I made for this outfit are green and gold. So I feel like this is gonna be more so the outfit. Alright, so I'm kind of switching gears off of Christmas for a little bit, and I'm picking out an outfit that I want to wear around All-Star music. And I pulled a couple of things. So I've been looking at pictures of the resort, and there's this particular area that's very pink and purple that I would like to take pictures in. So I have this pink tank top. This is just from Amazon. And I have this purple one. I've had this forever, and I do not remember where I bought this. But I like this like one off the shoulder top. I also have this Muses tee, but it's like a concert tee. It's like a world tour. And it's like the perfect colors. So I think I definitely want to bring this. I might even just like sleep in this and take a couple pictures in the room or something like that, but I'm definitely going to be bringing this. And then I have these star shorts that I thrifted. I'd been planning on bringing these to Galaxy's Edge for a while, but I kind of think they would look cute with this stuff or even with this t-shirt. So I want to try these on. And then I also have my black denim shorts that I know for a fact will look good with either of these. I don't think I'm going to bring my black jeans because I don't have any other outfits planned for that. And I'm bringing these as a backup in case any of my other pants don't work and it's too hot. So I'm gonna try this on and like this on and kind of figure out what I want to bring. So this is the pink tank top with the star shorts, and I do really like this. I think this is cute. These are a little big on me, but they still like fit enough. They're kind of stretchy, so I feel like I can get away with them. And I think this would be cute as an outfit. I don't have any ears. I think I'll wear my black ears with this, potentially, or just go no ears. So this is the Muses tee with the star shorts, and I don't like these two together. I think the star shorts are busy enough that you kind of have to go solid on top. But I do love this t-shirt, and I think I'll bring it anyways because I could pair it with any of the other pants that I'm bringing if I wanted to get some extra pictures while I'm there. And if not, I'll just sleep in this so it can double as pajamas. So now that I have this outfit picked out, I definitely am gonna make some bracelets to go with it because I just realized I didn't make any bracelets for our stay at All Star Music. So gonna make some bracelets to go with this, take a picture of it, check it off the list, and start working on the next one. Okay, so for my Hollywood Studios outfit, I want to prioritize using these ears because I definitely have a couple of outfits where I want to take the bow off. So I think I'm gonna go classic, like black, white, and red. If I purchase the Star Wars Christmas sweatshirt, I can easily add it on top of this outfit and get kind of a 2-for-1. So I'm going to do my black denim shorts, especially because I wanted to bring these anyways. I'm going to do the red bow Christmas ears. I also think these would look adorable with the Star Wars sweatshirt. And then I'm just going to do my classic Mickey Zara tee. I think I'm going to do the classic like gold, red, a little pop of green. And I'll probably bring this fanny pack. So I'm thinking this for the Hollywood Studios outfit. I'm actually really liking it now that I've got it all together here. Okay, so I tried this outfit on a whim because I pulled out this black skirt and I was kind of thinking, all right, if it's absolutely so hot out, but I want something that looks Christmassy, I need to have a couple options. Like if I can't wear jeans, I can't wear long sleeves or jackets or sweatshirts or anything. And originally, I really didn't think I was gonna bring this because sometimes I wear this and I feel like it can look a little grandma-ish, a little frumpy. But I just had the idea to throw it over a t-shirt with the skirt and the ears, and I'm absolutely loving this. So just goes to show, just try everything on that you already have because sometimes mixing and matching it can make an outfit that you love. So I actually really, really like this, and I think I now have to find a spot for this. So I put this outfit together and it actually matches perfectly with my red and white bracelets, and I was having a hard time finding an outfit to pair with those anyways. So this outfit is like the perfect gap filler. I also really wanted to wear these ears and I didn't have any outfits planned for them yet. So I have a couple of Magic Kingdom outfits I need, and I feel like this would look really cute in Magic Kingdom. So I think I'm gonna make this my Magic Kingdom morning outfit. So checking this one off, we only have 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5, and then a flight home outfit. So 6, but not really. I probably will just make a flight home outfit with items that I already have or items that I purchase while I'm down there. That's usually what I do so that I don't have to pack more clothes. So let's try and fill in these gaps here and get this sorted. Today, I'm going to be wearing this jumpsuit and we're not going to be stopping back at the resort. So that is a bulky item to carry around in a backpack. And I also think that jumpsuit would look really cute with some pictures on like Sunset Boulevard by Hollywood Tower of Terror. So I don't even think I'm going to change. I don't think I'm going to do an outfit change after dinner in Epcot. So I'm struggling with the DAC, like park hop outfit and Sanaa dinner because I don't really know whether I should go Christmas or if I should go like Animal Kingdom, animal print, you know. I have never seen the Animal Kingdom Lodge decorated for Christmas. I've never seen Animal Kingdom decorated for Christmas, so I'm not 100% sure like what it looks like. So I don't know how to dress Christmassy, but also neutral colors, because neutral colors and Christmas colors just do not overlap. So I'm gonna kind of pull some stuff, maybe try on some stuff and see what I can come up with. Okay, so I'm starting to get super creative. I wasn't originally gonna bring my overalls because I was like, ugh, they take up so much room, but it's kind of inevitable. I love these overalls and I think they would be perfect for Animal Kingdom. For Sanaa, I think I'm just gonna wear this brown tank top underneath my overalls and go to dinner like that. That'll be cute. I can take some pictures around Animal Kingdom Lodge. Perfect. And then I think I'm going to throw this Christmas tree turtleneck over top underneath the overalls when we go to Animal Kingdom because Christmas tree, tree of life. Can you kind of see where I was going with that? Okay, so this is kind of a stretch, but I have this Epcot t-shirt and it's got a lot of red and green in it from all the different flags. And I feel like styled with the right accessories, you could make this Christmassy. So I think I'm going to either wear this t-shirt with my jeans or my denim shorts, whatever the weather is permitting for that day, with the red ears and the red fanny pack. Okay, so for my plain outfit, I'm just going to wear this white tank top and this red flannel. And then I'm just going to be carrying my jacket. I don't think I'm going to need to wear it on the plane. I just don't want to put it in my suitcase. And I'll probably just wear this and some kind of leggings. All my leggings are in the wash right now, so I don't have those out. And then some honorable mentions. I'm bringing these brown shorts to wear to bed. And then I'm bringing, of course, my Christmas pajamas. Have to wear my Christmas PJs. And then I'm bringing a white turtleneck just in case any of the outfits I paired my white t-shirt or like a white tank top with, it ends up being too cold to wear. I'm going to be bringing this to kind of swap out. But that is it. We did it. Accomplished. Check it off. One last thing I have to do before my trip. So if you guys liked this video, please make sure you hit that subscribe button and give it a thumbs up. It really helps out my channel. I'm going to be vlogging this entire trip, so get excited. Those vlogs are coming very, very soon. I think when you see this video, if I'm not mistaken, I might already be there. So you'll have to check my Instagram to get like live updates of my trip, but thank you guys so much for watching. I'm gonna get going, make some lunch. I'm hungry. I'll see you guys in my next video.